Yes, people, this week's video is going to be another quick one, and in this one we're going to be making 5 essential drum and bass sounds, or at least essential by modern production standards, in 5 minutes. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to be doing them all on Serum because everyone's got Serum these days. And we're going to start with the obvious one, which is a respace. So essentially what a respace is 2 oscillators slightly detuned from one another to create this kind of like phasing sound. So if I change the fine tuning on this one to minus 26 and this one to plus 26, get that classic Reese sound, and you can choose any kind of, well, all of the bog standard waveforms. So the sine wave, you get this nice kind of reminds me of someone like Hazard or Break. But yeah, this is a good one to have in the arsenal. And the next bass sound we're going to be doing is kind of like a fuzzy harmonic sub kind of sound. So obviously if you get your bog standard sub bass, so if I put here, I mean, unless you're on some good speakers, you might not be hearing that. So if we add some harmonics with some distortion, and then we layer that with some white noise, we get this nice fuzzy harmonic subby type thing, which, you know, sounds a lot more full than, you know, just a bog standard sine wave on its own. So the next bass we're going to be looking at is a classic wob bass. These are dead simple. I love, you know, a good wob. And a great starting point for one of these is to get a square wave. So basic shapes, change the wavetable position to be a square. Random phases, turn that to 0 so we don't get the sound changing. And we just want to whack a filter on and then move the LFO onto the cutoff. Maybe bring the amount that it affects the cutoff down a bit. You know, a very classic sound, and could make it reduce it even a bit further. One to play around with, and this leads nicely into the next essential sound, which is the yoy bass. Now I have done a video on the yoy bass before. I don't think I actually did it in Serum though. So anyway, this is dead simple. You just go to the effects page and you add a bit crusher. So on the distortion effect, change it from tube here to downsample. And there you go. I mean, if you affect with the resonance and the cutoff a little bit, maybe even change the filter type. Yeah, very bog standard. Yeah, massive back in the day in dubstep and that kind of stuff, but it seems to have made a bit of a resurgence in recent years. And then finally, on the whole talking kind of bass sounds, we have got the yoy bass, maybe the more complex one of these in this essential sounds bit. And again, someone like Scantia has been using this a lot. So for this, we want to change random phases to 0, but we want a wavetable that's quite what's the word, vocally formanty. So if we go to the vowels and we come to retro speaking, I mean, this sounds like the start of a frog bass, doesn't it? So if we change the wavetable to, I don't know, that'll do. And then back to the filter section over here. Now we want to come to the miscellaneous section and down to the formant section here. Going to boost the drive up a bit so we can hear it a bit better. Now this might not sound like anything special on its own, but if we drag the LFO over here to the cutoff, and again change the amount it's affecting the cutoff, we start to get that kind of sound from that yo-yo bass bop tune or whatever it's called. Get a triplet going. Yeah, there you go. Dead simple, dead quick. This video, yeah, if you're an experienced producer, probably not the video for you, but if you're just starting out, might be helpful. If you did find it helpful, please do consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, I'll see you later.